Welcome to behind the scenes of FPV Drone Fest 2023.
Welcome to it, FVP? FVP?
Why did you? I spelled it wrong for a minute. I was like, what? It's done. That looks sick, man. I can't wait till this is done.
You good? Oh, awesome. Yes. Good, yeah. Hey, man. How are you? Great to see you, too. Yeah, my wife, Nadia. Nice to meet you. How are you guys? Excited? Yeah, I'm ready. Oh my God, this looks so much fun. We drove like 10 minutes into the property. It's crazy. Wait, good? You can see too. Is it on you? We won. Welcome to the UK. Hey! Yes.
And you get an added ice cube on the bottom. Look, it won't come off.
Oh, you will.
Have a feel. It keeps it nice and cool. British.
What?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and put the first one here. There you go. Yes. Okay. Once you one. All right. So when you have different colors and different saturations of the color, it makes different. That they need to have different compounds. Like this. This is something that I wanted to do for a very long time.
This is an epic moment, a legend of all legends right here.
Thank you very much, and I really wanted to come and say hi. Like when we met last night, I gave you the biggest hug I could. Like it was amazing.
I couldn't breathe. That's how big it was.
It was awesome. So, guys, tonight we're gonna be partying. Oh look, we're actually shooting the BTS right here. We're gonna be partying tonight here before the event. The actual event goes off, and as soon as we have all the pilots here, we're gonna start sending packs in the most incredible place on earth. You're gonna see how good it is in a couple. So catch up very soon. Bye bye, guys.
Back to the side, bro.
Hey.
Back to the Drone Fest, bro.
What Drone Fest? Where?
Down there.
Yeah, just turn around, mate. Just turn that way.
So, few words what's going on right now.
We're gonna be flying through the Street League Quad at the event. I'm gonna show the pilots how it feels to fly a Street League Quad and show them the way. Street League is the way. It's an amazing quad. It's a 7-inch spec with 28, 80, 100, like 1280 grams. It's super heavy. RPM limited, 7-inch gem foam props. Look at this, the new whiskey props. Look at this color.
Amazing.
Yeah, whiskey baby, whiskey all the way. Yellow rest all day long with my custom Radio Master TX16S. Let's put on some props on this baby. There we go. Look at this. You can get the sticker, the Jenfen Campbell props out, because props out is the way. Is the only way. Oh.
What have I got? I got netting to put up in front of the flight lines. Put some more banners up. Throughout the social areas. Probably loads more.
Is Adam around there, so?
He's chasing Chase.
Chasing who?
Chasing Chase.
Just chasing Chase. Just like shout at them like really loud and say how many props are going in a welcome pack.
Hey, we could probably put some on the flight lines at the start of the day, so each tent has a supply of props they can share out between everyone.
Yeah, that's what I thought you were going to do. Give like put 10 packs out per line, each one.
Yeah, that's it.
Having a little break.
Yeah, I haven't even done that much today. I'm just lazy.
Well, that's the front. That's at the back.
Dan Stone. That's a great name, Dan Stone. That's a good solid name.
Many props. More over here, more over here.
So what else left to...
Unforgettable truth. I am weird.
Go!
Bad boy.
About us, make up this time for us. Make up my mind about us. Yeah, but believe me,
I finished building the challenge area. Mamba Madness is almost complete. A few more bits to do. But what I'm going to do now is I've got 6 batteries. I'm going to fly my new newbie drone, Acro B. It's got 27,000 kV motors on the 1S. So I'm going to do 6 packs. My best lap time in those 6 packs is going to be the lap time for you guys to beat. If you beat that lap time, you're going to win a freaking cool prize. The tree, reverse down, backwards out of there, and then you win a really good prize. So yeah, we've got some awesome stuff set up. We've got the race gates, which is circle. If you have a look at the post I've done earlier, that will show you the route of the circuit that you're going to be racing, and if you beat my lap time, again you win a prize, and if you get a real fast lap for the whole day, you win an even better prize.
Cool tattoo you have on your
Oh, thank you. Gem Fun forever.
Gem for life. Cheers. Gem for forever.